Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we can create a simple delete API using Node.js. We use a Postman to send ID and delete the record in the database. Let's start code. So, I have opened my code editor. Here, we have an index.js file and a config.js file. In the config.js file we have kept the database connection. First we imported the MongoDB module. Then, select the database which you want to connect. Then, give the path of your local server. Then, connect with client. Next, I create a function with the name of dbconnect, which return collection of database. At the end, export dbconnect function. I can use ecom database which have one collection named products. In this collection I have some record of product, and we can delete this record using delete API. Open index.js file. Now import express module. Then import dbconnect module from config.js file. Next, import MongoDB module. Create an app or make express executable. Next, choose a port where you want to open this app. I choose 5000. Then, use the app delete method. In first parameter we define a root, and I pass ID in params, because we get ID through params and delete matching record. Then, create an arrow function. In arrow function we have two parameter request and response. You can give any name to it. Next, I use dbconnect method. This method return promise. For handling this promise first I make a function async. Next, we write a code for deleting record from database. For this I use delete1 method. In delete1 method we create an object. This object get ID from Postman params, and if this ID match with database record ID, it delete those record. Our eq.params.id is used to get ID from params which we can send. Next, I use res.send method, and in this I pass a result variable. For getting data from Postman first I need to convert it in JSON format. So I write app use method, and in this I write express JSON method. Now, our code is finished. Open Postman. Then click on plus sign. Next, select a delete method. Here you enter the URL of your app. I write http://localhost 5000. Next, I copy the ID of some record and pass in a URL place. I copy the ID of M40 because I want to delete this record. Use slash and passed here. Click on send button. In the bottom container you can see I get an error. I get this error because I cannot run our index.js file, so first run index.js file. Open index.js file. Next, open uterminal. Now, execute or run index.js file. Here, I have a same ID which I copy from the database and passed here. Now again, click on send button. In bottom container you can see acknowledged true and count deleted 1. This mean our record successfully deleted from the database. Now, I reload the database. You can see our record successfully deleted. Now, I delete one more record from the database. Passed in URL. Click on send button. In bottom container again acknowledge true and count delete 1. I reload database and you can see our record deleted successfully. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.